Hello everyone, welcome to SN So in this video, we would see how to calculate the project size of a software project using function points. So what is function points? Function points measure the functionality delivered by the software and it based on the user requirements. And this metric considers the various components such as input, outputs, inquiries, files and interfaces. Okay, so let's solve these problems and we'll see the formulas on the way. So the first question is, consider a project with the following functional units. Number of user inputs 50, output 40, inquiries 35, file 6, interfaces 4. This line is very important, that assume all complexity adjustment factors and weighting factors are average. Then compute the function points. So see this table, we have to, sometime in the exam paper this table is given but sometimes it's not, so we might have to remember all these numbers. So as it said, key weighting factors are average, so we have to multiply this number of user inputs number 50 with these average numbers. Okay, and that will give us unadjusted function points. Okay, so let's see the formula. The formula of function point is unadjusted function points multiplied with total complexity factor. So what is unadjusted function points? This is simply summation of multiplication of this user inputs, this number of user inputs, output, inquiries with its average numbers. So we calculate this, then 50 into 4, then 40 into 5, then 35 into 4, then 06 into 10, then 4 into 7. This gives us 6 to 8. Now we have to find out adjustment factors. Okay, how we get this TCF, mean total complexity factors? The formula for this is 0.01 multiplied with TDI. This is total degree of influence plus 0.65. What is this total degree of influence? This varies between the number of 0 to 84. Okay, and as in the problem it tells that we have to choose the average. So the average of 0 plus 84 is 42. Or you can find it in another way, because degree of influence has 3 parameters, which is 0, that means no, 3 means average, and 6 mean high, right? So if we just divide 84 with 6, we get 14. Then simply multiply this 3 with 14, you'll also get 42. But this one seems more reasonable. You just divide this 84 with 2 and you will get this CAF value or this TDI value. Okay, so we'll calculate our TCF in a way ki 0.65 plus 0.01 into 42. So let me calculate this. So 0.01 into 42 gives us 0.42, and 0.42 plus 0.65 gives us 1.07. So our functional points is 628 into 1.07. So 628 into 1.07, that gives us 671.96, and this is our answer of functional points. So first one done. Now let's see the second one. Here it says key an application has the following, like 10 low external inputs mean 10 low external inputs mean we have to multiply this 10 with 3. 12 high external outputs mean 12 into 7. 20 low internal logical files means 20 into this 7. Okay, and let's say it also says key and the value adjustment factor of 1.10 mean this TCF is 1.10, which is given. So what is unadjusted and adjusted functional point count? So let's see. For our second question, we have FP is equals to unadjusted functional point into TCF, and TCF is given as 1.10. Right. So let's calculate the UFP, which would be 10 into 3 plus 12 into 7 plus 20 into 7 plus 15 into 10 plus 12 into 4. That gives us 452. Right? 3. It's 3. Okay. So our functional point is 452 multiplied with 1.10. That gives us 497.2. Is it 452.1.10? That gives us 497.2. So this is our answer. So yeah, this is how you solve functional point questions. Yeah, so thanks for watching.